Now stop and see if she'll do it standing up. Have her stand up. See if she'll try to jump now that she's able to do it. Go up. Jump. Jump.
Here we go. Up.
Poor baby.
So Leah, how do you take a picture?
Cassie.
Crash and burn.